Livy.
Everyone wait, we have
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deanna and today we're doing something a little different. We're taking a quick one-night staycation to Choctaw Durant Casino in Oklahoma. We're taking the kids with us and we're hoping to have a lot of fun without traveling too far, and we're taking you along for the ride.
What was the number? 1036 what?
Wow, that's easy.
Okay, so this is our room for tonight. We're only here for one night, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour before my kids destroy the whole entire room.
Shovel it in. Fast. Time's up. No need to get bummed out. You'll be better next time.
Got 18 goals, hurry.
I have 11 left too.
Okay, we are officially exhausted. We're back in the hotel room. The kids are in bed, and then that means it's my turn to take a shower. We took turns gambling. My husband's turn is right now, so I'm going to take a shower while he's out, and we are going to bed. It has been a fun day at the pool, at the arcade, gambling. Food was great. So, see y'all in the morning.
Can we go ahead and order?
Your pancakes right in front of your face.
There you go.
Thank you very much,
You're
ma'am.
welcome. They weren't.
Okay, so will they take the cost of the meat off of the,
Nope.
but can we do a substitute like that?
Okay, now that we're home and we've had a little bit of time to think about our trip to Choctaw, I wanted to sit down and give you a couple thoughts about the trip. Overall, we had a great time. There's lots to do, especially during the summer. You can spend the majority of the day going to the pool, eating, and just having lots of fun, which will wear down the kids. And then in the evening, go have some dinner, go to the arcade, go bowling. So we didn't get to do the bowling, but we did do arcade. We did have dinner just because we were kind of exhausted from swimming all day long. And me and my husband wanted the opportunity to trade. Like, I went first to gamble for a little bit, and then he went to gamble. Unfortunately, we donated this time. We didn't come back with any money, but yeah, I mean, we love these little trips. It's just like 2 hours from our home. It's easy. Just jump in, get some overnight clothes, some pajamas, jump in the car, drive, and then turn around and come back. It's not this big old deal where you have tons of suitcases and stuff like that. So I just like those short little trips. I like I guess you would call like day trips. So yeah, but overall, I'm glad we went, and I'm glad I decided to bring you along with us. I'm excited to share our life, whether that organizing, homeschooling, and family trips. So if you enjoyed coming along this trip, I hope you like and subscribe and consider sticking around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.